Want to create a stunning design, viral videos, 3D objects, animations, and product images, all with one AI tool. And the best part, you get 100 free credits every day to try it. Once you are inside Lova Art, you can easily switch to the language you prefer. On the left side, you will find the button to create a new project. Just below the home button, you can click on the project to access all your work in one place, keeping everything organized and easy to manage. Here, you can also choose the IA model you prefer to generate images, videos, and even 3D objects. This button allows you to search the generated results using web search. In these two buttons let you choose how the IA delivers the results. You can select fast, which gives you a quick responses for instant results, or thinking, which is designed for more complex tasks and work autonomously. Keep in mind that thinking mode uses more credit points. I recommend trying both so you can see the difference and decide which one works best for you. These buttons allow you to choose exactly what you want to create, such as a design, illustration, e-commerce visuals, or video. Once you click on any option, Lova Art will show you the details you need to specify to get accurate results and avoid wasting credits. In this example, we will keep the default Nano Banana model. We will click on the Nano Banana button and leave this setting unchanged. Then generate an image using this prompt, which I get from Lova Art. I will show you at the end of the video where you can find ready-made prompts for image design and more. You can also access existing images and videos, download them or edit them directly inside Lova Art. The image looks more realistic. We can upscale it to an HD image, remove the background, turn it into a mockup, change the image size, apply different styles, or make a quick edit all in one click. You can try all these options, and I recommend experimenting with them to see which works best for your project. Now let's turn this image into a video using a simple prompt. With one click, just like with images, you can also use these buttons on the video to upscale it, remove elements, and apply other enhancements. After that, you can download the final video or try different design styles. This is why Lova Art is such an amazing IA design agent. Let's go back to the homepage to look at the ready-made images, videos, and design examples. If you want to use any image or video, you can simply copy the prompt or download it and customize it for your own project. If this video helped you, please like it and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.